I'll guide you through understanding the requirements, common failure fixes, step-by-step document verification, and post-verification features for confirming your identity on Elon Musk's financial platform, X Money. If you're ready, click the like button. Let's get started. Completing identity verification on X Money is required by law because X Money partners with Dick-insured Cross River Bank. Federal Know Your Customer or KYC and anti-money laundering regulations require X Payments LLC to confirm who you are before granting full access to financial transactions. Before starting the verification process, ensure you have the following information ready. Your full legal name exactly as it appears on your official government documents. Avoid using nicknames or shortened names. You must be at least 18 years old to open an account. Your full SSN or taxpayer identification number for identity matching. Your complete physical residential address in the U.S. Business addresses and P.O. boxes are strictly rejected. An active U.S. mobile phone number linked to your account. Each individual is strictly limited to completing KYC on a single X account. X has two verification paths. If the personal details you enter match public government and banking records, your identity is verified automatically within seconds without requesting physical documents. If there is a mismatch, typo, recent name change, or credit header discrepancy, the app automatically triggers secondary document and biometric verification. Here's how. Navigate to the Money tab in your X app and tap Verify Identity. Select an acceptable form of physical government-issued ID like state driver's license, state identification card, or U.S. passport or passport card. Place your ID flat on a dark, non-reflective surface in a brightly lit room. Position all four corners inside the camera frame, making sure there is no glare from overhead lights or flash over your photo or text. Hold your phone at eye level and follow the on-screen prompts, such as slowly turning your head or blinking. The system's facial recognition AI compares your live selfie with the photo on your government ID to confirm liveness and prevent fraud. Here are features that are unlocked after verification. Full access to instant peer-to-peer transfers across the X platform. Activation of your virtual X card for immediate use with online checkouts, Apple Pay, and Google Pay. Eligibility to order a physical debit card delivered directly to your verified residential address. Access to yield features such as high-yield APY on eligible cash balances. If you have any queries or input, comment below, and I'll respond. Click this card for a curation of our best video tutorials, and check the description below for more. Don't forget to subscribe for more of such educational videos, and thanks for watching.